Hey y'all! So I'm really excited to start filming more videos about things that I do, like my makeup and how I do and braid this crazy hair of mine. And that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be showing you how I braid my hair. I'm going to do a really simple braid in front here. That way you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. You know, it's kind of hard to see with the setup I got going on. I tried with this lighting, but you know, it is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and start right here by just parting my hair. I just kind of like make a C in my hair right there, all the way back. All right, and you want to start right here on this side with 3 separate pieces. Okay, that's how you start pretty much any braid, is with 3 separate sections, right? And I always start with this piece first, the piece closest to my face, and I cross it over the middle piece right there, just like that. And then I do the same thing with the outer piece, cross it over the middle, just like that. And the cool thing about French braiding is that you collect hair as you go. So I'm gonna add that to the piece closest to my face now. Just one little tiny piece here. Add that to the piece closest to my face. That's not what I'm doing now though. I'm trying to braid my hair. This crazy hair of mine. Alright, so I'm gonna start in the very front of where I parted my hair. Section that piece off. Okay. And then you're gonna section off that piece into 3 pieces, like so. Okay. And I like the kind of braid, or the French braid, where the braid sits on top of your hair. I don't really know what that's called. I guess, I don't know. I just call it like an inverted braid or whatever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the piece that's closest to my face, and I'm gonna, well actually, you know what, sorry. Let me try this again. Alright, so 3 pieces. You're gonna take the piece closest to your face, you're gonna go underneath the middle piece, like that, alright? And then you're gonna take your fingers under that piece closest to your face, you're gonna go underneath, and you're gonna take the piece that's furthest away from your face, just like that, okay? So now you got these going on. It's going to be your middle piece. This is the piece closest to your face, and then I have the piece furthest away right back here. I'm going to collect a little bit of hair. Oh shit, I'm still doing this wrong. Maybe I don't know how to braid. Alright, so I'm going to take a section from where I parted it, right here. Alright, and I'm going to take that, and I'm going to section that off into 3 different sections. Like so. Okay, I'm going to take this piece and go underneath the middle piece. So that's going to be the piece closest to my face. I'm taking underneath the middle piece. And then I'm going to take my finger and put that underneath the piece I just put there and collect the piece furthest away from my face. Alright, and now this is going to be my new middle piece. This is going to be my new furthest away from my face piece. And then this one in front of my eye here, this one is going to be the piece closest to my face. Okay, so I'm going to take a little tiny section of hair right here. I'm going to add that to the piece that's closest to my face, just like that. And then I'm going to go underneath the middle piece right here. Okay, and then I'm going to take my finger, put that underneath the middle piece, and then I'm going to pinch the piece furthest away from my face. Then I'm going to take a little tiny section of hair, add just a little tiny section of hair to that piece furthest away from your face, and then pull it underneath this middle piece right here. Okay. Again, I now have my new middle piece, the piece furthest away from my face, and then the piece closest to my face right here. Okay, so those are my new 3 strands. I'm going to go ahead and collect more hair on my head here, and I'm going to add that to the piece closest to my face, and I'm going to take that underneath the middle piece, and then I'm going to take my finger, Put that underneath that piece and collect the piece that's furthest away from my face. See, it's a nice little pattern. Gonna go ahead and collect more hair, add that to the piece furthest away from my face, and then pull that underneath the middle piece. So here we go again. See, I got the piece closest to my face, the middle piece, and then the piece furthest away from my face. So I'm gonna take this piece, collect more hair, take that underneath the middle piece, take my finger, put that underneath the middle piece, and then I'm gonna add more hair to that finger furthest, with the hair furthest away from my face. You take that underneath the middle piece, ta-da, and then you have a new middle piece. And then you just keep repeating that pattern. Keep repeating. Okay, and what I do when I get right at around here, I kind of like to separate this hair in the back away a little bit because I plan on wearing my hair down. This is kind of like how I like to wear my hair on an average day. If I don't really feel like putting my hair up, I just kind of like braid it across the front because I don't really want my hair in my face. And yeah, so this will make it like a nice little headband in the front. So I'll stop collecting hair, and at this point it'll just be a regular braid. A regular, normal, plain braid. Oh, my hair is crazy. It tangles so easy. Alright, so I'm just gonna braid this all the way down. This light is so bright, by the way. It's like burning my eyes, burning my retinas. Be lucky if I'll be able to see after this. So, okay. Alright, and then I'm gonna stop probably like right there. Looks good to me. Now if I could find a hair tie, that would be great. Okay, so take my little tie here. I don't know if you can see it, it's like clear. There it is. Alright. Okay. For my little tie. And then it's kind of a loose braid already. It's pretty loose. I don't know. It looks pretty good the way it is. But sometimes I like to loosen it up a little bit more. So what I'll do is I'll start at the bottom. And there's a reason why I left this much hair at the bottom. And this is the reason why, I guess, is where I'm getting. Anyway, so I have this much hair at the bottom. And I want to loosen it up a little bit. So what I do is I like to just kind of pull a little bit on the pieces of braid like that. That way it's not like such a tight, boring looking braid, you know? Just loosen it up. Just pull apart pieces just a little bit more. And then also, I don't like for my hair to pull so much at my scalp either. So like if I loosen the braid up right here, it won't pull so much and it won't give me so much of a headache. It's so great and it's super cute. Ta-da! That's how I braid my hair in the front. Thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. You have no idea. This is the kind of stuff that I just love to do. I love doing makeup and hair and like just general wellness stuff and self-care stuff. So the fact that anybody is interested in watching that is just, I'm just so thankful for. Seriously, like it makes me so happy. Thank you guys. So if you guys have any tips and tricks on like how to braid hair, how you like to do your hair, how you like to do your hair every day, let me know. I love learning new things, so I would appreciate and love knowing.